How to change your username on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2-Step. Today in this quick guide video, I'm going to show you how to change the username of your Roblox account. So let's get right into it. Open up the website of Roblox, which is roblox.com, and then log into your account. Once you have been logged in, from the home screen, just click on the settings icon that you see on the top right, and then open up settings. From the settings page, you'll see two options, the display name and the username. Now it's quite easy to change your username and it's also free. But if you want to change your username, you'll need to have 1,000 Robux on your account. So you need to fund your account with 1,000 Robux to be able to change your username. Once you have funded your account, it's the same process. Click on the edit option and you'll be able to remove the existing one and type in any new username that you want. Once you type it in, you can click on save. And your username of Roblox will be changed. There's no way that you can change your username without having or funding your account with at least 1,000 Robux. So that was a quick video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.